Muddy Toes, and today we're gonna clip some chicken flight feathers because the chickens keep flying over the short fence and I'm tired of chasing them. So let's get to it. So we've managed to catch the two culprits that are always getting out. There's one other we'll get in a minute.
I got her. Don't worry.
We had a hard time because the ground is covered with these spiky balls and we are barefoot. So they were a little bit harder to catch than normal. So let's lay them down and clip those flight feathers so we don't have to keep chasing them. We've never clipped the chicken wings before, or the flight feathers. So this is a first for us, and hopefully we'll be able to share with you how easy it is or how challenging it might be. So let's take the first one. So our understanding is that you only clip one wing, one of the feathers on one wing, so that they are out of balance. If you clip both sides, then they can still flutterfly over the fence. So we just want to clip one side. And if you can look here, oh, come here. So these big long feathers here on the end are the flight feathers, and these shorter feathers further back, the ones that are a little bit darker, those are not. And we might clip those just a little bit since she's a really good flyer. She's out many times a day. So we're just gonna hold her down. Actually, you actually wanna do that one?
Sure.
So the thing you have to be careful about is that underneath their wing comes, their actual tissue comes out to this first set of feathers here. So you can see that there's a line here of where the feathers change, and we're gonna clip just past that. So we'll start with the Kukkumaran. Oh, that's good, we'll start with this one. So they have about 10 flight feathers. These two are the ones that are always getting out, so we're gonna clip a little bit of her shorter feathers too, just to make sure she's not fluttering out. And we'll see if that keeps her from getting out. So let's change chickens and we'll do the other one. Maybe we'll try to get a little bit closer here. So this is the Issa Brown, and she is the best flyer. So we definitely need to clip one side of her wings and her feathers to keep her in.
She doesn't want to see it.
So we're gonna start back here because it'll be a little bit easier for me. And they're tough. Those feathers are tough to cut through. No. Yeah, we could try those.
Just for the sake of...
Come here, girl. And this doesn't hurt the chicken at all. They don't have any feeling in those feathers. So we just need to cut a couple more of these. We're gonna cut her smaller feathers all the way back because she's such a good flyer.
Get a close up of how that looks before we let her go.
So now you can see.
Right along the edge of the second set of feathers.
Yep. Good girl. So now we'll see if we can keep them in. So we've got one more chicken that gets out a lot. She's not very easy to catch. She's in right now, so we're gonna try to get her. So we finally caught that chicken with Clint's help here. So Clint is my partner and he built our chicken coop and the run, did a fabulous job. One of these days we'll get a nice video of that. We've got one more chicken that we want to clip the feathers on and hopefully you get a good view of. This chicken is an Easter egger, and you can see here if you're looking at the feathers, these ones right here are the ones that we want to cut, not these short ones up here. Their tissue, their flesh comes down to just about in there. And so they should have about 10 of these long flight feathers, and you're only cutting one side. So I found with Clint's help that these shears work better than a pair of scissors. They've got a little bit of ridge here that allows them to grip. You can see that. And so the feathers don't slide. So we're just gonna cut right through. You can see we're not gonna cut this high, we're gonna cut just underneath of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Let's see. We got,
One left.
oh, we got a couple. These feathers here are pretty long too, and she's a good flyer, so we're gonna go ahead and cut some of these that are further back. And you only cut one side so that they stay off balance and can't fly. It doesn't hurt them any though. It doesn't have to be pretty. So there you go. All clipped on one side. Thanks for watching. Hope your chickens stay in.